Have you ever wondered about the journey of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, commonly known as Bitcoin ETFs? Well, buckle in because we're about to embark on a riveting journey through time, tracing the evolution of Bitcoin ETFs from their inception to their current state. Let's turn back the clock to the early days of Bitcoin ETFs. The notion of such a financial product began to circulate in the early 2010s, a time when cryptocurrencies were largely uncharted territory. The idea was to create an ETF that could track the price of Bitcoin, offering investors a more regulated and secure way to gain exposure to this new digital asset. However, the road to realization was not a smooth one. Regulatory bodies, particularly the US Securities and Exchange Commission, were hesitant to approve such a novel financial product. The SEC cited concerns about market manipulation, volatility, and the lack of regulation in the cryptocurrency market. Despite these setbacks, the pursuit of a Bitcoin ETF continued. In early 2021, CBOE Global Markets filed a request with the SEC to list shares of VanEck's Bitcoin ETF. This marked the latest effort to launch a Bitcoin ETF in the US, with VanEck's earlier submissions signifying the formal review process for potentially the first US Bitcoin ETF. Fast forward to the latter part of 2021, Bitcoin surpassed the $60,000 mark, fueled by anticipation of a futures exchange-traded fund approval. The ProShares ETF, which tracks Bitcoin futures, was set to start trading, signaling a shift in the SEC's stance towards Bitcoin ETFs. This marked a significant milestone in the evolution of Bitcoin ETFs, with Bitcoin surging by 109% year-to-date at the time. Yet, the narrative doesn't end there. By November 2021, it was expected that an Ethereum futures-based ETF would launch before a Bitcoin spot ETF, with potential approval slated for the first quarter of 2022. This illustrates the SEC's cautious approach to cryptocurrency regulation, demonstrating a preference for futures-based ETFs over spot ETFs due to regulatory concerns. So, where does that leave us today? We've witnessed the evolution of Bitcoin ETFs from an idea in the early 2010s to a reality in the 2020s. We've seen the challenges they faced, from regulatory hurdles to market volatility, but we've also seen their potential, with Bitcoin ETFs offering a regulated and secure way for investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin. In conclusion, Bitcoin ETFs have come a long way since their inception. They've faced numerous challenges but have also shown immense potential. Their journey serves as a testament to the evolution of the financial markets and the growing acceptance of cryptocurrencies. As we move forward, it will be interesting to see how Bitcoin ETFs continue to evolve and shape the financial landscape.